What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another quick unboxing and testing video for you guys. We have a product from Reeven. They sent one of their CPU air cooler, Reeven Justice RC1204, and this cooler does support Intel socket all the way from LGA 775 to LGA 2066 and AMD socket starting from AM2 to all the way AM4 socket, so you don't have to worry. If you have a Ryzen CPU, you can pick up this CPU cooler and you can install. They do include the installation kit, the M4 sockets. Now, I will be testing this CPU with my Ryzen 3 2200G overclocked to 4 GHz, and basically I will compare this cooler with my current Keurig H5 cooler and I'll see how this cooler stack up. Now, if you guys don't know who is Reeven, make sure you check out their website www.reeven.com, and they do have a lot of products you guys might like. They do have air coolers, liquid cooler, they do have fans, RGB strips, case, and a lot of other stuff. So make sure you guys check out their website. Now, what I like about their website and of course their product line, the black and yellow color theme. Now, after unboxing, I did find 4 packages in there. One was for installing spare fan for push and pull, and also there was a M4 kit, and they have the universal brackets for AMD and Intel sockets. Also, they have a detailed installation manual guide. You can easily follow this guide and install your CPU cooler, and it's really simple. Also, a 120mm black and yellow PWM cooling fan. The fan speed starting from 300 RPM all the way to 1500 RPM under max load. Also, the cooler height is around 162 millimeter and width is around with the fan 105 millimeter. I also do prefer the dual stack fin design. So basically, if there is more fins on the heat pipes, should give you better temperature, lower temperature. You guys can see there's 6 heat pipe running from CPU heat plate to both sides of the cooler, and also this cooler is a single tower cooler, so it's not all that big. So let's not waste any more time and let's just jump into testing. Like I say, I'll be using Ryzen 3 2200G overclocked to 4 GHz. So let's just jump in. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are done installing the cooler. The installation was really simple. If you guys are using this cooler with your Ryzen CPU and AM4 motherboard, make sure you follow the guide. Comes with the AM4 kit because that guide is really simple. And we are using the BioStar X370 GTN motherboard, and the CPU we are stress testing this cooler with Ryzen 3 2200G overclocked to 4 GHz. So let's look at the result real quick. So we have the AMD Ryzen master running, and also we have IDA 64 stress testing, been almost 37 minutes and system still didn't crash. System is running really stable. The reason we have AMD Ryzen master running, basically we are monitoring the core clock, the voltage, the temperature, and also we are making sure the CPU is not throttling down, and so far the system is running really stable. You guys can see 54 Celsius at 4 GHz with 1.4 volt. Now, I was running the same test with my Keurig H5 cooler and I was getting around 65 Celsius. So this Reeven Justice cooler does beat the Keurig H5 cooler, and I think for $46 this cooler is a great buy if you guys are planning on picking up an air cooler. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below. If you guys want to see like a build video with this cooler, like a PC master race theme, yellow and black, also make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. That should be it. See you guys next time. Peace.